Hi, this is Robert Knight from Losing the Wires. I just wanted to show you our new Samsung DeX in-vehicle solution today. The engine is running on the car, it's a diesel, so apologise for a bit of background noise, just to ensure the battery, well, the system doesn't shut down because it's having a draw on the battery. Anyway, here's our in-vehicle solution for Samsung DeX. As you can see, it's a commercially available touchscreen that's mounted to an Arkon no drill mount that also includes a tray for a keyboard. So in this case we've got a Bluetooth keyboard with integrated touchpad, but it could be any Bluetooth keyboard. Some of the screens we offer also have a USB socket on them, so we could actually put a wired keyboard with integrated mouse or trackpad plugged into the USB port of the monitor, and that would also work. Anyway, let's show you working. So let's run some apps now. So let's just focus in on that. So we can launch things like Outlook here, and there's our Outlook mailbox. So there's an email message. And there we go. So, but we can also use the touchscreen for this as well. It is a touchscreen display, so we can actually change our view of the mailbox, and we can do other things with the touchscreen as well. So for example, if we were running maps, we could do that. We could use the touchscreen to actually pinch and zoom, something you can't do on just a conventional non-touchscreen monitor, and sometimes the key combinations are not easy to remember, so pinching and zooming becomes a bit more difficult. This is really designed for static use, so once you've arrived at your location you can swivel the keyboard round, so you can swivel it round to a more comfortable position if you want to, so it becomes easier to type, or you could swivel it round to the passenger as well if you wanted to, if they wanted to type. And for normal driving use, it stays in the middle, so you're not actually interfering with your steering. And the gear selectors also reachable here. This is automatic, of course, but you can then reach the gear as well. The smartphone is down in the cup holder here in a strike dock, so that's mounted into the cup holder, out of the way, but securely held in position in the strike dock, and when you finish with it you just slide it out and it's finished. Anyway, there we go. That's our touchscreen solution for Samsung DeX. This is a European vehicle, so some of the solutions you may have seen are designed for American vehicles, which have a much wider center console. This is a European vehicle with a fairly modest center console. The heating controls are still reachable, and when the screen is in its center position it's out of the way, things like the airbag going off, etc. And the height can be adjusted to better suit things if necessary. So there we go. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe as well. We do produce regular videos showing our touchscreen solutions with Samsung DeX, yeah, any questions please post them, and we'll put a link on the website, so if you're interested in more information you can contact us. Thanks so much. Cheerio now. Bye bye.